think that's something that people underestimate, Chris, about you, is that like all the work that goes behind the scenes. I mean, daily there's articles criticizing you. Daily there's people saying terrible things about you. Daily they're trying to shut you down. Daily they're trying to tarnish your character, the business's character, etc. Like, we always say, freedom of speech isn't free. Like, that's literally like the quintessential example. Like, people are constantly trying to come at you guys. How do you deal with that, man?
You know what? It's
because that's just one story, but I wish you guys knew some of the other stuff that goes on behind the scenes. Obviously, we're not going to talk about here.
People don't understand how much pressure Rumble gets on a daily basis.
You know what though? Like,
it's crazy.
I asked that question. Why did Mark Zuckerberg fold on all the things that he's folded on? I ask this question all the time, and the answer to me is like pretty simple. It's pretty easy to be strong. I just think there's a lot of weak people right now.
Yeah,
and they're like, I'm defending a human right.
Yeah.
Period. That should be pretty easy. For me, it's pretty easy. Why it's hard for everybody else, that's a question we need to ask them. I'm happy defending that human right. It makes me proud. But the sad part is how many weak people there are out there not doing that and folding to like any type of criticism that they have. It just requires a little bit of strength, and that's what this company, Rumble's built on.